Hi Tina,
Hi Alpesh, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Looking gorgeous, huh? Ekdam.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Tina, let me give my formal introduction to you about you to all my viewers. So, guys,
Sure.
Tina Kothari is a fashion and lifestyle influencer, and she is the very first one जिन्होंने हमारे साथ नवरंग का जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था. She is the one जिसने विटनेस किया हुआ है स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच के नवरंग कैसे आगे बढ़ा हुआ है, and she has endorsed various products, and she is like a diva of Navrang. And last 2 years से प्री गरबा नवरात्रि है, विच वी कॉल नवरात्रि विथ नवरंग. इट्स अ प्री ग्रैंड नवरात्रि. तो उसमें भी वो जजेस रह चुकी है. उसके साथ वो गरबा में काफी फाल्गुनी पाठक गरबा में भी जज रह चुके हैं और बहुत सारे मुंबई के फेस्टिवल्स में. And she is a completely fashionista with us. So thank you,
Thank you
Tina, for
Alpesh.
joining us. So Tina, how's quarantine going on?
Nothing creative, creating good content. Nothing more to think about. Just waiting for it to
Yeah,
get over.
yeah. I saw a lot of contents. बहुत अच्छा था. आज मदर्स डे वाला भी
Yeah.
कंटेंट था
Instead of
and all.
thinking in the same direction, let's make it productive.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So Tina, we have received like a hell lot of questions about you. Like all my students and all my mentors, and they pinged me and lots of questions I came through. So I have a complete list in front of me. So let's start with it. And after
Sure.
that, we'll have a rapid fire round. एंड उसके
Okay.
बाद एक सरप्राइज है विच आई एम गोना टेल यू. आई डोंट नो तुम कैसे कर लोगी. आई डोंट नो बिकॉज सिद्धेश आस्क्ड मी टू डू सो. सो माय फर्स्ट
Looking
क्वेश्चन
forward.
इज सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टीना कि लाइक आपने तो गरबा जर्नी देखा है, बहुत सालों से आप खेल रहे हो. जब मैं खेल रहा था उससे पहले भी आप खेल रहे थे, एंड यू हैव दैट ओन एक्सपीरियंस. सो सिंस 2003 टू 2020 आपको क्या लगता है गरबा में क्या फर्क है? बिकॉज आई वाज टॉकिंग विद डिस्कसिंग विद सिद्धेश yesterday. So he had his own POV. So I wanted to check with you. So
Okay,
how it is
so
different?
it's very different. It's very creative level now. Earlier it has to be like only pop, but now it's like various different forms of art is coming out. And
Yeah.
also, being a fashion, I always think about clothes more. So, okay, so for me, Navratri getup is not about backless cholis and ghagras. For me, it's
Yeah.
creating a look together. Okay, creating a style
Mm-hmm.
together. Am I clear?
Yeah, yeah, you're very much clear.
Yeah. So
I'll
creating
tell
a
you
look
if it's already.
together, maybe a combination of bohemian look, or maybe a combination of bohemian with fusion, and then
Yeah.
creating bold eye makeup, bold lip color, and a lot of metallic shades you can put on. So you should create something different.
Yes. So Tina, like how as a like गरबा इंडस्ट्री जैसे कि गरबा है, how it has been evolved. Like पहले पता है like छोटे ग्रुप होते थे, anybody could have joined, and now people are more, they are stereotyped and very, properly they have organized the गरबा thing. So we have a unique group and सब लोग अच्छे से prepare करते हैं since 4 months and 5 months before the festival. So what is your take on it? Like how
I
you
go for
feel about it?
judging. I go for judging, and I like literally, I like, oh my god, it's so difficult. I'll tell you, from costumes to grace to expression. I mean, it's on another level. But yes, I can also see that it is a lot of commercialized nowadays. It's like when you
Yeah.
go to the ground and you don't have a group, you feel lost. No matter how much ever you
हाँ.
good, well dressed, but
I
you're not
agree.
allowed. So it's all
Yes.
about that also. So I feel that getting into good group and creating is like fun.
So how's your journey with us? Like, what do you think about all these drawbacks which you told us? Like, so what is
No,
your
but
take with Navrang?
with Navran is different because here everybody is allowed to express your views. Okay, I'm sure if
Mm-hmm.
XYZ wants to show some steps, I'm sure as a mentor you will accept it. So it's not a
Yeah.
dominant. It's very expressive. It's very acceptable. So I feel Navran journey is different from rest,
Thank you so
and
much.
it's
So
very
my next,
creative. It's very creative.
credit goes to you also, Tina, because whenever we are stuck, I and
Credit
Siddesh
goes
always
to
approach to you.
credit goes to Alpesh and Siddesh for sure.
Thank you. So, like another like question is, what is your tips to all our Garba students in terms of fashion? Because Garba में ना बहुत सारी लड़कियां हम लोग को पूछती है, सर केवी રીતે રેડી થવાનું, સર આમાં શું કરવાનું, કયા ornaments use કરવાના, ચણિયા ચોલીમાં દુપટ્ટો માથા પર લેવાનો કે નહીં લેવાનો. So, as a fashion and lifestyle influencer, and I got a hell lot of tips from you કે સર અલ્પેશ આ પાઘડી મસ્ત બનાવો, તમે આમ કરજો તેમ કરજો. So, what is your tips to all our viewers? Because so many
I,
viewers are
I,
right
I
now online.
like to create, which is very different. I like to clear a flare of concepts, not
Yeah.
just like one. Because I've seen people just wearing backless blouse and ghagra and you're done. No, don't do
Yeah.
that. Create your own style. Make it a combination. Wear one statement jewelry with plain color. It works. It has to be different.
100%.
You know, when people see you, it has to be like, oh my god, what killer look she has, you know. And also, I've seen people putting a lot of makeup. So just advise, a small advice for them to put first primer, moisturizer, then a primer, and then whatever products you want to carry, you know. And also, don't forget to hydrate yourself. And no matter how much ever you are tired, please remove your makeup once you're home. And
So
again, hydrate
Vidhi,
yourself.
so हाँ, hydrating तो जरूरी है. So Vidhi,
Yeah.
Dimple, if you are listening, because they were the one who asked me कि टीना को पूछना कि भाई हम लोग कैसे तैयार हुए and all. So
Yeah.
Poonam, you joined, so please check. Tina told us just recently. And my third question to you is like, how do you, because you talk about keep your skin hydrated and fresh. So what is your secret? Because you are right now very fresh.
I use a lot of face mask nowadays. It's easily available in the market. Also now in quarantine, it's easily available in medical store. Just go and ask for face mask, apply for 15 minutes and you're done. Wait, I'll show you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I always have it in my bag.
See, this is an
Yeah,
advantage to
face
have.
mask. This is difficult to get right now, but this Garnier you can get anywhere in the medical store. You know, it's a
Yes,
quick
yes,
hydrate.
yes.
Like the next 15 minutes you'll feel like wow.
I've
Yeah,
seen in
and
your
also
story
I
and
add lot
post.
Yeah, and I add a lot of citrus fruits to my diet. I also have basil seeds with the water and mint leaves. Yeah, so small, you know, muskmelon, watermelon.
एकदम घर का. So guys, आप लोग को लगता होगा कि टीना बहुत hoity toity products यूज करती होगी. She is very grounded. वो जो घर का
Yeah.
है, you can find it in the kitchen and you will be like fresh.
And
है
you're
ना,
done.
Tina?
Yeah.
Because I have seen her personally, she constantly drinks water and always staying healthy. Like junk food, no. Sometimes only.
Yeah,
Otherwise, she'll always
absolutely.
buy. I'm not gonna eat.
Yeah.
So my last question to you is like in quarantine, how can keep someone him or herself stylish? Because हम लोग है ना Zara नहीं पहन सकते, Hermes नहीं पहन सकते. तो अभी तो मैं तो खुद है ना 2 टी-शर्ट में हूँ, बरमुडा में हूँ और कभी-कभी स्लीवलेस टी-शर्ट में रहता हूँ. तो what tips you give to look
Quarantine
fresh?
styling is more about being comfortable, yeah. Like, you
है
know,
ना?
it's not necessary that you wear a brand and you're stylish. No, it's more about comfort. So for me, quarantine styling is shorts and maybe a nice top or a t-shirt and I'm done.
Such a amazing answer.
No such great styling. It's all about comfort.
All my friends like she's a diva man, she's a fashionista. I was like, yeah, she's my friend, you know. So Tina, I have a rapid fire round for you. So are you ready?
I'm scared.
हाँ, तो जितने 4 स्पीकर है, 4 स्पीकर में से जो अच्छा रैपिड फायर देगा उसको गपशप विद नवरंग का हैम्पर मिलने वाला है. बिकॉज वी आर रीलॉन्चिंग आवरसेल्फ. So many
Wow.
things are coming up in the back end. Yeah. So
Hey, come on. I'm gonna win
should we
this.
start?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thumbs up so that you cheer the Tina so that she will. Tina, your voice is not coming. Hello. Yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now, Tina?
Yeah.
Yes. So, guys, show thumbs up to Tina. Cheer up. नवरंग में कोई भी ऐसा demotivated या ऐसा अकेला नहीं feel करना चाहिए तो cheer her up because rapid fire round बहुत ही interesting है. So my first question is 3 tips according to you to look fresh forever.
Lot of water, good moisturizer, and a face mask.
3 magic fruits for that fab complexion of yours.
Watermelon, muskmelon, and orange.
Okay, what are 3 essential makeup you'll always carry in your bag?
Highlighter, blush, and primer.
अगर आपके पास कोई सुपर पावर होता तो what would it be?
तो मैं कोरोना को ढूंढ लेती बॉस और उसको सच में मार डालती.
कोरोना को ढूंढ लिया उसको मार दो.
तो कोरोना को मैं भगा देती. No, but seriously, if I had one superpower, I would love to read people's mind.
Okay. So I know you are good reader. So which one book you suggest to all our readers, like any fashion magazine or novel or anything?
And nowadays I'm reading a lot about different styles of blogging. I'm reading books on blogging now.
Okay, yeah. So cotton, silk or linen?
Cotton silk. Because it's soothy, you know. Your skin feels good when you wear it.
So what was the answer? I couldn't hear because some technical glitch. Cotton silk or linen?
Cotton silk.
Indian attire or Western attire?
Your skin feels good when you wear it.
perfect. It should be like, breathable.
Yeah.
So, Indian attire or Western attire?
Actually, a fusion.
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 And this is my favorite. Okay, so this is my favorite questions और आपका hamper इस पे depend करता है. करीना और कटरीना.
Of course, Kareena.
तो ठीक. So you get 1.1 extra. Which is your favorite cosmetic brand?
That you are also Beko lover, right?
एकदम वो Instagram पे आई तो मैं सबसे पहले खुश हो गया. सिद्धेश ने बोला पेड़े ला. Okay, so which is your favorite cosmetic brand for lipstick and foundation?
I quite like Kat Von D. I like L'Oreal. I like Huda.
Okay. Okay, so my one condition for you, if you are stuck in Sephora for 15 minutes and get a chance to buy cosmetic of your choice, free of cost, so what would you buy?
I'll pick up a lot of blush, highlighters, concealers. Yeah, that's it. I'm done with this.
Perfect. So Tina, excellent rapid fire. बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मजा आया. Yes, I can hear you.
It was great.
So टीना, वन मोर थिंग, एक सरप्राइज है आपके लिए. आप बहुत ही फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, तो मुझे सिद्धेश ने बोला था कि टीना के लिए चैलेंज है, गरबा चैलेंज करते हैं, फलाना ढिंगना चैलेंज करते हैं. माय चैलेंज फॉर यू इज 60 सेकंड के अंदर बताओ लिपस्टिक कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं, अभी के अभी.
Wait,
लिपस्टिक रेडी तो है क्या नहीं है? ये सिद्धेश का चैलेंज था, मेरा नहीं था.
Yo.
ओके. 5 seconds over.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's not so hard, Alpesh. It's just like.
सिद्धेश, if you are listening, तो कमेंट करो. टीना देखो, डूब मरो तुम लोग, जो भी है ना. देखो 10 सेकंड भी नहीं लगा लिपस्टिक लगाने में. Thank you, Tina. Thank you for joining us and hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. See you.
Yeah.